Did you know some emergency alerts were never meant to be heard? No signal warning. No test tone. Just a calm voice repeating their street names. The broadcast instructed viewers to lock their doors, turn off the lights, and stay away from windows. Then it said one more thing. If you are alone, this message is not for you. Police traced the signal to a decommissioned radio tower. It had no power. The alert stopped after one night. People who followed the instructions survived. Those who didn't were never reported missing. Thanks for watching.